So Bill, let me know what we're doing here at Project today.
All right, well, this is our annual spring cleanup of what's called the Legacy Garden. This garden was started by the students about 10 years ago. They entered an essay contest on the good of organic gardening in urban settings, and they wrote essays, and we won a prize, and we used that money. We built a shed, and we built all these beds, and we built all these gardens, and then we developed some curriculum to go around planting and biology and math and using the garden. So it's kind of a contextual learning lab. And once a year, sometimes the volunteers, sometimes students. Today, Vitalik has volunteered to help us with our spring cleanup. This year, we're growing green beans for the food pantry. So the majority of these beds over here, we will plant 2 to 3 crops of green beans with pole beans in the back. And then these beds here are the children's beds. These are strawberries and butterfly bushes are in there. And our daycare, Early Childhood Learning Center, oftentimes brings the kids up here and they help water during the week, and they get to play in the beds and they read stories. And back here we have an herb garden, and about once a year we do this, and in the fall we close the garden down and a bunch of volunteers come. So a lot of good synergies have come out of the Legacy Garden.
And it looks like we're going to have a great year. Thanks so much, Bill.
You're welcome.